dear friends, so let's start our video NSO class 3 chapter 2. With what type of beak does a duck have? Hooked beak, chisel-shaped beak, broad and flat beak, long and pointed beaks. So there you can see there is a picture of a duck. So this is not a hooked beak, even not a chisel beak. It's a broad and flat beak, even not a long and pointed. Okay, so what will be bubble C? Second question. Eagles and vultures eat mice and frogs, grains and seeds, fruit and nuts, nectar of flowers. They don't eat fruit and nut, even nectars of flowers, even not grain and seed. They eat mice and frogs. So what will be bubble A? Which of the following are absent in birds? Nostrils. Birds have nostrils. Feathers also they have, beak also they have, but they don't have teeth. So what we are going to bubble C. Second last question. Dash has a long and pointed beak to poke into flowers and drink nectar from them. Kite. No. Peacock even not. Owl even also not. Hummingbird. You can see there is a picture of a hummingbird. Okay. So what are we going to bubble B? Last question for the video. Select the correct match. Bird's beak. Food it eats. This eagle eats this. Okay. This sparrow eats seeds. Parrots eat nuts. Okay. So what they have asked the correct match. All of these. What are we going to bubble D? So bye friends. See you in the next video. Bye.